Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on electrical circuit analysis. So today class is star connection in three-phase system. So we know that the star connection means, so if we connect the like terminals at a point, then which leads to the star connection. Now let us say that so this is the one of the phase. Let us say A dash, and this is another phase C dash. Now this is another phase A dash, B dash. So if we connect the similar terminals, that is like this is the entering terminal, this is the ending terminal. So if you connect the ending terminals at a point, or if you join all the terminating points or ending points at a point, then which leads to the star connection. So which we have discussed. This point we are calling as a neutral point N. So if you take the outs, these lines out, then which is called the lines. Okay, phase A, phase B, and phase C. Now this line we are calling as a neutral point N. And so this star connection is also called as a three-phase four-wire system, because we have the three phases and four-wire. And this also called as a, it's look like a Y. It's look like a Y connection. Okay, Y connection or like this. Okay, Y connection. So this is called as star connection or Y connection. Now in this lecture, let us derive the voltage versus current relationship in a star connection. Line voltage, line currents, phase voltage, line voltage, and phase currents and line currents relation. Okay, now let us derive that. Now as a current is generated inside this phase, so let us say this current is IA, and the current generated inside this phase B is IB, and the current generation inside this phase C is IC. Whatever the currents coming out, so this is called line currents. Whatever the currents coming out called line currents. Okay, IC. Now simply by seeing this circuit, just observe that this IA must be equal to the IL. So from the Kirchhoff current law, so this same current is going through this line. This same IA current is going through this line IL. Therefore here you write the terminology as, okay, so here IA, let us assume that this is a balanced system, supply system. Here IA is equal to IB equal to IC. This is called phase currents. Okay, phase current. Now here IL we are calling as a line current. Okay, line current. Assume that this is a balanced supply system. Okay, now from this, what can I say? So from the figure, it can say that, so this phase current IA is equal to IL, and it is also equal to IB equal to IC. Therefore from this I can say that, so phase current is equal to line current. Okay, phase current equal to line current. That means line current is equal to phase current. For a star connection system, the line current is equal to phase current, I phase. So here phase current is equal to line current. So in a star connection, IL is equal to I phase. Now let us derive the voltages. Okay, what is the relation voltages? Now the voltage between these two lines is called VAB, and the voltage between these two lines is called VBC, and the voltage is here VCA between this C and A terminal, that is A phases. Now what about the voltage generated here? So in this phase is called VA, okay, and the voltage generated in this phase B is called VB, and voltage generated here in this phase is called VC. Okay, so therefore here VAB equal to VBC equal to VCA. So these are called line voltages. Okay, line voltages, because symmetrical, that is a balanced supply system. Now the voltage is VA, which is equal to VB, okay, which is equal to, so VB equal to VC, that is equal to V phase. So this is called phase voltage. Line voltage is denoted by VL, so phase voltage denoted by V phase. Okay, so VB, VC. Here V, now in order to derive the condition between the line voltage and phase voltage, so three voltages are displaced by degrees apart. So VA to VB is 120, VB to VC is 120, VC to VA also 120. So each displacement is 120 degrees. Now I want to know the VAB. Okay, first let me take the VAB. Okay, what is VAB? So VAB is nothing but, can I write this VA minus VB? Yes. So VA minus VB. VA minus VB I can write as VA plus of minus VB. Plus of minus VB. Therefore, here I can add these two vectors. Okay. So as this is a AC quantities vectors. Therefore, I am adding this VB minus VB vector to the VA vector. So this is the VA vector. So if it is a VB vector, then the exactly 180 degrees phase shift. Okay. So this is our minus VB vector. Minus VB vector, because it is a 180 degree phase shift here. This is 180 degree phase shift. Okay. Now, as it is 120 degrees, but now this will become 60 degrees, and this will become 60 degrees. So the phasor sum of this VA and minus VB will give you the, okay, VA and VB will give you the, this is nothing but our VAB. Now this angle is how much? 30 degrees. It is equally dividing. 60 is dividing equally halves, so 30 and 30. Now if you draw a vector to this, okay, so therefore this is nothing but from here to here. So this entire line is VAB. So this is VAB by 2, and from here to here, okay, from here to here, this is also VAB by 2. So these two are equal. VAB by 2. So from this triangle, okay, let us say this is O. So O, A, let us say B. Okay, so from triangle OAB, so what is the cos 30 here, because this angle is 30. So cos 30 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. That is, adjacent is what? VAB by 2 by hypotenuse is VA. Then what is cos 30? Cos 30 we know that root 3 by 2 equal to, now VAB is called line voltage is VL. So VL by 2 into VA we are calling as a phase voltage. So V phase. Therefore 2 cancel. So therefore VL is equal to root 3 times of V phase. Okay. So VL is equal to root 3 times of V phase. Now see here, this is the line voltage VAB. This is the phase voltage VA. That means this line voltage is, now if you take the vector rotation is anti-clockwise direction, of course. So line voltage is leading the phase voltage by exactly 30 degrees. Okay. So VL leads V phase by 30 degrees, or V phase, that is phase voltage, lags line voltage by 30 degrees. In a star connection system, we have derived that the line current is equal to phase current, and the line voltage is equal to root 3 times of phase voltage. Or you can also write that, so phase voltage V phase is equal to VL by root 3. VL by root 3. And the phase, that is line voltage, leads phase voltage by exactly 30 degrees. Or phase voltage lags line voltage by 30 degrees. So this is about the star connection system in a 3-phase circuit. Thank you.